No trees were injured in the building of this house because the house was built around the tree. And it goes up through the... This needs to be called the tree house.
Yeah.
It's a different... Oh, wow. Oh, that's where the duck is, right?
Yeah.
So this one they built the duck around. Step back and see. You gotta watch. It's a lot of my... Wow. This is how you unload a truck full of pumpkins. A few pumpkins to get off the truck. Now that we got the pumpkins emptied off the truck, now we're going to make an elephant cake.
Banana benders and pumpkin pushers. What?
And they're like following.
Oh look, she's in there. She couldn't even wait.
Nope.
I'll scoop it. Come on, guys.
She's coming, look.
She's coming.
She's like, I better hurry up or she's gonna eat both of them. Get out of the way, y'all.
She wants her posse.
They gotta go for the same one. Aw.
Oh, here's the other one. There'll be nothing
There's
left.
nothing. Yeah, there's not gonna be much left by the time they get here. And of course, those people are out on the tour, and all the elephants are leaving.
Yeah. Bye-bye.
Well, you can purchase a cake.
Did Joe take that brolly out of the rubbish bin? No, it must be another one, surely. You get up there, girl.
That's right. Go to look. She's just gonna go right over. She's like, I'll just step over.
God, they must just shovel it in and not eat it, not chew it properly, really.
Well, of course, think about it. We chopped it down like toddler size, so
Yeah,
for
but
them
that was a great chunk of pumpkin.
yeah. But some of those smaller pieces, that's like a Tic Tac for them.
They also only have like one fucking tube.
Yeah.
It's just like,
Oops.
Oops.
there it goes.
And there it's gone. Just like that.
Snap.
Just like that, it's all gone. I love it. The little one's still over there. She doesn't quite know what to do.
No.
It's like, no, it's all gone.
Yeah, I'm not going to waste my time walking over there.
I'm too old for this.
Either that or
Hey,
they've
They wanna
learned
get out of the
they've
rain.
learned that the big ones, by the time the big ones get there, they won't
There's
get
nothing left.
yeah.
Whatever that fruit is starting to turn, isn't
it.
it?
Yeah, do you know?
Cucumber! I mean the pumpkin. Oh no, it's
taking
not.
this.
She's
It's melon.
running away with
It's
it.
melon.
This is mine now.
You're not done yet? I said you're not done yet with that pile? Almost done. Elephants are just a little bit happy with the rain. Look at how beautiful it is. The clouds over the mountains here. We had a rainstorm earlier come through today and freshened everything up. And it's a little after 5 now, and most of the elephants have been put in their little safe spots for the evening. But I really needed to come on here, and I'm gonna get emotional. But that's why I want to tape this now. I want to record this now. So here at the Elephant Nature Park, I have been getting a massage every night because it's very reasonable. And we're working hard, and we're, out of our normal routines. And so I've been getting a massage every night. And these ladies all of them are amazing. But tonight I had a lady that gave me, for this price, 1 hour, 2 hours. And when I came here, I was having hip problems and knee problems. And it's like she knew. And when she was done, and I was sitting up, she took my hair out of its bun and she braided my hair for me. And I'm so sorry, but I was just so touched that somebody that didn't even know me, anything about me, and we don't speak the same language and we can't communicate, just took what was so caring. I just had to get on here and just share, because all the vlogs that you see about coming to Thailand because it's cheap, and you'll hear people talk about the people and the things to see and all of that, and the partying and all of that. But my experience today, it's what I think brings people to Thailand and keeps them here, or keeps them coming back. And so I hope that everybody and anybody that comes to this country remembers the way that this woman took care of me. And when you're in this country, to do the same, to take care of the people in this country as best that you can. I don't know what else to say after that. I hope that I was able to communicate this well through all the emotions. Sorry for the ugly crying face, but it is what it is, and I just felt like I needed to express it the way that I'm feeling right now. So I just need to gather myself together before it's time to go to dinner. And everybody sees me in a hot mess that I'm really not hot mess. I'm touched. I'm touched in a way that I've never been touched before. And yeah, so that's it. That's all I got. All right. Have a great day, everybody. It's an old girl right here. She's slow moving.